it's your girl Nia Imani and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that post notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading, like duh. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like, come on now. As you guys can see from the title today, your girl is fixing up her vanity section. Honestly, guys, I've been living in this apartment since July, and I just really didn't know what I wanted to do with my vanity section. I didn't know if I wanted to keep my desk or if I wanted to buy like an actual vanity, but I decided to keep my desk. I bought the 9-drawer Alex drawers from IKEA, and so yeah, you guys are gonna see me fill all of that up. So let's get started.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you got it right. Body with a slump like don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. I was in hope she's left to right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight, living inside a dream. Let's lay where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. club, case something jump off. And back up for the hive, let the pump off. In the graveyard is where you get dumped off. All we wanna do is party and buy everybody at the bar Bacardi. Black Barbie dressed in Bulgari. I'm tryna leave in somebody's Ferrari. Spread love, that's what a real mob do. Keep it gangster, look out for the people. I'm the wicked bitch of these. You better keep the peace, or out comes the beast. We the best, still is room for improvement. Our presence is felt like a Black Panther movement. 7/4 to 8, back to back when I'm sitting on chrome.
Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much. I hope you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and comment down below. Let your girl know what your favorite makeup product is. Let me know what I should try, what videos I should post. And yes, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
7 times.
Shout out to my beats. With the Bentleys, the Hummers, the Benz. Escalades, 23-inch rims. Jumping out the Jaguars with the Benz. Keep your bread up and live good. East Coast, West Coast, worldwide. All my players in the hood stay fly. And if you ballin', let me hear you say ride.
It's little Kim and Timberland, nigga, shit your drawers. Special delivery to you and yours. I rep the bitches, he rep the boys. If you rep your hood, just make some noise. Got my eye on the guy in the orange coat. Don't need no cream B, got the LD throat. Let me show you what I'm all about. How I make a Sprite can disappear in my mouth. Shake up the dice, throw down your ice. Bet it all, play it, fuck the price. Money ain't a thing, throw it out like rice. Been around the world, cop the same thing twice. Rub on my tits, squeeze on my ass. Give me some step on the gas. Pop the cork and roll up that